Namaskara, myself Yashaswini. Welcome everyone to Shloka Chant with Yashu. Today we'll be starting with part 7 of our Vishnu Sahasranama. If you have not yet watched from part 1 to part 6, I leave the playlist link here. Please do watch all the parts. Let's start with the part 7, and before starting, there are few hand gestures that you have to look into it. If I show my finger like this, then your tongue tip has to touch upper palate of your mouth while pronouncing the letter N and la. And if I do like this, it's a Mahaprana where you need to give a little stress on the letters like K, Ch, T, Th, P and G, J, D, D, Bh. Okay, so let's start with today's part 7. Let's start. Dhyanam. Dhan needs to be stressed. Kshiro. Danvat. Pradeshe. Shuchi. Mani. Vila. Satsai. Kate. Maukti, Kanam, Mala, Klupta, Sanastha needs to be stressed, Sphatika, Spa needs to be stressed, Sphatika, Mani, Nibhair needs to be stressed, Maukti, Kair, Mandi Tangaha, Shubhrai, Bha needs to be stressed, Rabhrai, Radabhrai, Rupari, Virachitai, Mukta, Rupari, Virachitair, Mukta, Piyusha, Varshai, Ranandi, Nah, Puniya, Dari, Nalina, Gada, Shankha, Panir, Mukundaha. I'll stop it here for the part 7. So let's say it together slowly. Kshiro, Danvat, Pradeshe, Shuchi, Mani, Vila, Satsai, Kate, Maukti, Kanam, Mala, Klupta, Sanastha, Spatika, Mani, Nibhair, Maukti, Kair, Mandi, Tangaha, Shubhrai, Rabhrai, Radabhrai, Rupari, Virachitair, Mukta, Piyusha, Varshai, Ranandi, Nah, Puniya, Dari, Nalina, Gada, Shankha, Panir, Mukundaha. So here we'll stop the part 7. So we have to say it together. It will sound like Shiro Danvat Pradeshe Shuchimani Vilasatse Kate Muktikanam Mala Klupta Sanasta Spatika Mani Nibair Muktikair Manditangaha Shubhrai Rabhrai Radabhrai Rupari Virachitair Mukta Piyusha Varshair Anandina Puniya Darinalina Gada Shanka Panir Mukundaha. So practice to this level, and we'll see you in the part 8. Namaskara. Thank you.